so dear students, welcome everybody at your channel Maths Mama. Dear students, we had done variable separable, all the 4 type of problems followed by all the important PYQs which are asked in last 6 years. Okay, on variable separables. So now it is the time to move on to the next very important topic of differential equations, which is called as homogeneous equations. What it is called as? Homogeneous equations. So see very carefully. Anybody is having any difficulty, you will just ping me, and all of you know what to do if you are having any problem. You can see that's our website, and because it is not clear here, so I will erase this. Yes, any doubt you will send here, beta. This is to all the students who are watching it live or watching it recorded. So visibility is not the problem to anybody. Yeah, everybody can see me clearly. All right, beta. Chalo. So see, homogeneous equation. What are these kind of equations, right? That is the very first question that comes to our mind. What do we mean by homogeneous equation? So beta, if we say homo means same type. Don't take it in another way. Okay, so homo means same type, right? So homogeneous means if we say they are homogeneous functions, that means they are having the same power, right? See, if I give you an example, f of x is equal to x cube plus x square y. Is this homogeneous? Answer is yes. Why? Because first term power is 3, second term power is also 3, 2 plus 1, 3, right? If I say g of x is equal to x square plus 3x, is it homogeneous this time? Your answer will be no, because first term has degree 2, second term has degree 1 only, so they are not homogeneous. Is it very clear to everybody? Anyone having doubt, difficulty in this? Tell me, guys. Yes, guys, don't hesitate. Yeah, just ping me in the chat box, and chat box is open for everybody. Alright, so see students, homogeneous means same power, right? So if we have been given dy by dx equal to f of xy by phi of xy, where both have same power, each term has same power for f also, phi also, then we will say it is the homogeneous type of differential equation. See very carefully. F of x is xy cube plus x power 4. Here degree power is 4, here also power 4. G of x, here power 2, power 2, power 2, power 2. So this is homogeneous. This is also homogeneous. This is not homogeneous. Power 1, power 0. This is power 1 homogeneous. Power 2, power 1 not homogeneous. Okay, don't go to the bookish definition. I know till now you are very much confused with this term. What is homogeneous? Homogeneous, because in the books beta they are giving a very complicated definition. So what it is in the simple way that I have explained you. If anybody has any type of doubt, let me know. Yes. No doubt to anybody? Everyone is damn clear till here. Alright, so let's go beta. This is homogeneous, right? Yes, so see, dy by dx is equal to y upon x plus tan of y by x. The question is it the homogeneous differential equation or not? See very carefully. First term, power 1 upon power 1, that is 1 minus 1, 0. So power 0. Here also power 0. So this is homogeneous. Everybody is now clear with the definition of homogeneous? You can easily distinguish that whether it is the homogeneous type of differential equation or not. Very carefully, guys. Right? Everybody can distinguish. You will not do any type of mistake in figuring out whether it is homogeneous or not. Just you have to count the power of every term. If it is containing 10 terms, 9 terms have same power, 10th is different, still we will say not homogeneous. All must be having the same power. Okay? So that is the clear-cut definition that I have given you, and you will never be confused with this, guys. Right? Chalo. So, differential equation. So it is very simple, structured, two-step procedure. Right? What is that two-step procedure? I will show you here. See, step number 1. For any kind of homogeneous equation, how to identify whether it is the homogeneous equation or not? I gave you the clear-cut definition, guys. What is that definition? Every term must be having the same degree. And once it is having, we will say it is homogeneous, right? So if it is homogeneous, always you are going to substitute y equal to vx. What you are going to substitute? Y equal to vx. So once you have substituted y equal to vx, from here you will differentiate this with respect to x. So dy by dx will be v plus x dv by dx. Okay? Y equal to vx and differentiate it with respect to x, you will get this. That is the step 1 procedure that is going to be common everywhere. It's not gonna change anytime. Clear? Alright, so guys, after this, come to step 2. Everywhere you will substitute this, and then it will be applicable for variable separable. But variable separable will be happening with respect to v and x, not y and x. Okay? We substituted y equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to this, and then we are applying variable separable method. That's all. And in the last, substitute back y equal to vx. Y equal to vx or v equal to y by x. Both are same thing, guys. Okay? Is it damn clear? Nobody is having confusion in this? Nobody? Great. See then. Till here we have done, right? See how to solve a question. Question is here. Dy by dx is y by x plus tan of y by x. Okay. See how we are going to solve this by two-step procedure that we have just remembered. What is the step number 1? We have understood, not remembered. What is the step number 1, guys? Step number 1 is y equal to vx, and then dy by dx, this is v plus x dv by dx. Step 1 is over. Substitute it here. So dy by dx we are writing v plus x dv by dx, y by x is v, and plus tan of v. v is gone. So now you are in step 2. Actually step 2 starts from here itself. Step 2 means substituting back all these values. So when we substituted back, we got this. That means we are getting x into dv by dx. This is tan of v. This you will bring this side. So dv by tan v. This is dx by x. Integrate integration of cot v dv, and here it is ln x plus lambda. Cot integration is ln sin x, so ln of sin v equal to ln of x plus lambda. Next we are writing ln of sin v minus ln x, this is equal to lambda. So ln of sin v by x, this is equal to lambda. So sine of v by x, this is equal to e to the power lambda, that is k. What is v? V is y by x, so sine of y by x upon x, that is k. Finally we get, guys, sine of y by x, this is kx, right? And see, after this, y of 1 is pi by 2, that's given here. Okay, if y of 1 is pi by 2, so sine of pi by 2, if x equal to 1, y is pi by 2, so k is 1. So if k is 1, we will write sine of y by x, that is equal to x, and that's our answer. It's as simple as that. Just apply step 1, step 2, use the variable separable method, and you are all done. Clear? Understood, everybody? Type in the chat box. No beta, this is just the introduction, RL. No, PYQ will be coming beta. I am just teaching you the theory, and PYQ will be followed by 2 to 3 questions. After 2-3 questions, we will see the PYQs. Yes, first of all, I am clearing your concepts of homogeneous. Yeah, so I will start with the basic question, then I will move to the PYQ. So again, one more basic question. Everybody try. Try this. Yes. Here is the second question. dy by dx is equal to x plus y divided by x minus y. Everybody try. Everybody try. How will we solve it? Yes, see guys, step number 1, definitely homogeneous, degree 1, degree 1, degree 1, degree 1. So if it is homogeneous, what is the step 1? Y equal to Vx, and calculate dy by dx, that is V plus x dv by dx, right? Substitute this value, so V plus x dv by dx, that is x plus vx, and here x minus vx. Finally, v plus x dv by dx, x gets cancelled, 1 plus v by 1 minus v. And if this one you bring that hand side, guys, you will get x dv by dx. This is 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v minus of v. So here you keep 1 minus v, 1 plus v minus v plus v square, x dv by dx. Here you have x dv by dx, and here you go v gone, v square plus 1 upon 1 minus v. Simplify this now using the variable separable method, that is x dv by dx. This is equal to 1 plus v square by 1 minus v. 1 plus v square divided by 1 minus v. So if you interchange, you are going to get 1 minus v dv divided by 1 plus v square. This is dx by x. Integrate. So if you will integrate dv by 1 plus v square minus v dv by 1 plus v square, that is ln x plus lambda, and this is, guys, tan inverse of v. What it is? Tan inverse of v. And if you put 1 plus v square as z, so v dv is dz by 2, integration, that is ln x plus lambda. Finally you will get tan inverse of v minus ln of x, and this, if you take that hand side, half of ln z plus k. So here tan inverse of V. If you bring this side and half on this, you will get ln of root Z. Nobody has problem till here. Z power half, that is ln of root Z, plus ln x plus k. And here we go tan inverse of V equal to ln of root Z into x plus k. Finally, that's our answer. But we will substitute tan inverse of V is y by x ln of root Z. What is Z? Z was 1 plus V square. So root over 1 plus V square, that is y square by x square into x plus k. That's your answer, guys. Yeah, just check. Yes. You will get the PDF beta. Pratham, you will get it. I'll share. You say hi to this number. I'll share it to you. That number is visible or not? Visible now? Aryan Yadav. Yeah, PYQ will be there just after 2 to 3 questions. See, after this, guys, yeah, we had to just solve it. So we solved it and that's our answer. Let's go to the next question, that is question number 3rd. See, guys, 3rd question is x into all of this and up, right? You have to solve it. Again, it's the homogeneous equation because every time power is 1. 1, 1, 1. Power is 1. So again, step 1, y equal to vx, right? dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. So that we substituted. So dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx, right? So see, first of all, we have simplified it. So dy by dx is y into cos y by x plus x divided by x cos y by x. So this is dy by dx, and here you can see, if you divide by this, you will get y by x plus x by x will get cancelled, 1 plus cos y by x. No problem. Y equal to vx, dy by dx is this. So dy by dx value we are putting v plus x dv by dx, and this side y by x, that is v, plus 1 by cos v, that is secant v. So v get cancelled, x dv by dx equal to secant v. This is what we are getting. Now, guys, easily you can solve it using the variable separable. This dv you will keep with secant v, dx with x. See how? If you divide by secant v, it will become cos v. So cos v dv, and here dx by x. So cos v integration, if you integrate both sides, cos integration is sine, 1 by x integration is ln. So sine is ln x plus lambda. Sine of 1 by y by x equal to ln x plus lambda. That's our answer. Is it clear, everyone? Clear now? Right, guys. Yes. No doubt to anybody? See, both variable separable and homogeneous are equally important for your exam, because see, variable separable they will not ask separately. They will ask variable separable using the homogeneous, right? So in homogeneous also, after converting everything in terms of v and x, we are doing actually variable separable only. So homogeneous equations are the most important type of questions that are asked in the mains examination, advanced examination. Because see, the purpose of JEE mains advanced examination is they want to ask multi-concept questions. So if in one question itself they are able to test your knowledge of log, inverse, variable separable, homogeneous, why not they will do so? So that is the question paper making mindset. They try to check all the concepts, maximum number of concepts, not all the concepts in one question, right? So this is ideal. Oh, no virus. Alright, so this was the question, guys. Let's go next. Yes, that was type 1. That is very simple type of homogeneous equation. Now type 2, as we had seen in variable separable. First was very simple variable separable. Second was reducible to variable separable. Same here. Reducible to homogeneous. Reducible to homogeneous. That means it's not homogeneous, but by substitution we can convert it to homogeneous. That is the concept. Yes, we will see, but let me know anybody is having some doubt. Anybody having any kind of doubt? Yes, my dear friends, see here now. Now we are at type 2, reducible to variable separable. No, reducible to homogeneous. As we had seen in the variable separable, that one was simple variable separable, another was reducible to variable separable. Same here. We had seen homogeneous. Now we are seeing reducible to homogeneous, right? So in reducible to homogeneous, we have to substitute something and then it will be homogeneous equation. See, dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by a2x plus b2y plus c2. If this is the case, we know very well, it's not. It's not homogeneous. Degree 1, degree 1, degree 0. Degree 1, degree 1, degree 0. So not homogeneous, right? But we want to convert it to homogeneous. What to do? See here. We apply some substitution, right? We apply some substitution. X equal to capital X plus H, Y equal to capital Y plus K. This substitution we apply. Understood? We apply the substitution x equal to capital X plus H, Y equal to capital Y plus K. After applying this substitution, see, this is the question. We applied this substitution. This side got converted like this. And dy by dx will be, small will be capital. Very simple. Because if you differentiate with respect to x, so dy by dx plus 0. So dy by dx will be coming here. Right? Anybody is having doubt, difficulty till here? Tell me, guys. Dy by dx is 2x minus y plus 1, 6x minus 5y plus 4. So that is our dy by dx. And from here, because we want to convert it to homogeneous, in this case, the constant term must be 0. What is the constant term, guys? 2h minus k plus 1. So 2h minus k plus 1 must be 0. 6h minus 5k plus 4 must be 0. But question is why? Why it should be 0? It must be 0. Because if it is not 0, then it will never be the homogeneous equation. And we want it to be homogeneous. So it has to be 0. Right? So it must be 0. So here we are solving for h and k. 2 equation, 2 variable multiplied by 3 and subtracted. So we got minus 3k plus this, so plus 2k is this, k is half. So if k is half, this k equal to half, we'll put here, we'll get h. H is minus 1 by 4. So we got h and k both. H is minus 1 by 4, k is 1 by 2. So once we got h and k, we got our substitution. Right? X is capital X minus 1 by 4, y is capital Y plus 1 by 2. Alright, let's go next. See, next we will say dy by dx, this is equal to 2x minus y, 2x minus y, divide by 6x minus 5y, 6x minus 5y. No problem to anybody? Because constant term we equated to 0. That constant term is 0 beta. Right? So if that constant term is 0, now it is homogeneous. So if it is homogeneous, go by the step 1 procedure. Y equal to Vx. So dy by dx will be V plus x dv by dx. So here we'll write v plus x dv by dx. This is 2 into x. And what is x here? X is x only. So 2x minus y. Y is vx. And 6x minus 5 vx. Finally, we will write v plus x dv by dx. This is equal to x got cancelled, so 2 minus v. 2 minus v divided by 6 minus 5v. Now simplify this. X dv by dx. This is 2 minus v upon 6 minus 5v minus v. So 6 minus 5v here. 2 minus v minus 6v plus 5v square. That is 5v square minus 7v plus 2 and 6 minus 5v. Here it is x dv by dx. Right? Now simplify. Variable separable. 6 minus 5v. 6 minus 5v dv whole divided by 5v square minus 7v plus 2. 5v square minus 7v plus 2. And here we have dx by x. So here we have dx by x. Integrate both hand sides. Alright, how to integrate this? No problem. Linear and this. Okay, so when linear by quadratic, what we say? Linear is equal to a into differentiation of quadratic, that is 10v minus v plus v. Compare. V coefficient is 10a, that is minus 5. So a is minus half beta. Constant term is 6, that is b minus 7a. So 6 is b minus 7 into a, and a is minus half. So we got 6 equal to b plus 7 by 2. So b is 6 minus 7 by 2. 12 minus 7, that is 5. 5 by 2. So b is 5 by 2, guys. A is minus half, b is 5 by 2. Alright. We got A and we got B. Substitute it back here. So we will say A that is minus half 10v minus 7 upon 5v square minus 7v plus 2 plus B. So plus 5 by 2 dv divided by this thing, that is 5v square minus 7v plus 2. Right? Now see, its integration is this. So it is minus half of ln 5v square minus 7v plus 2. Dx by x is ln x. So dv by v will be ln v. So this one differentiation, so ln of this, plus 5 by 2. How to integrate this? You know very well. How to integrate? Completing the perfect square, or it will be done by factorization also. So factorization, if you do, what you are going to get? 5v square minus 7v plus 2. That is 5v square minus 5v minus 2v plus 2. So v minus 2. 5v common, v minus 1 minus 2 v minus 1. So 5v minus 2 v minus 1. 5v minus 2 and v minus 1. Now you know very well how to integrate by partial fraction. And that side we have beta ln x plus lambda. V you will substitute capital Y by capital X. Many of the students leave the question here, that they solve and they write the answer in terms of capital Y, capital X. That is wrong. The question which was given to you beta, that was in terms of small x and small y, right? So you have to write the capital X value also. What is capital X value? Small x plus h. So small x plus minus 1 by 4 or 1 by 2, whatever it is, and capital Y value also, and then you have to write the answer. So be careful at this step. In exam pressure, definitely students will miss it out. So they give A option in terms of capital Y, capital X itself. So that you are not thinking any time and you are just marking the wrong answer A, and you are thinking in your mind, oh, I got 4 marks. But that goes other way. Right? So be careful here. Always capital Y value, capital X value will substitute back. What is capital Y value? I will tell you here. Not here. Capital Y. Capital Y is small y minus k. Capital X is small x minus h. H, k are this. Then you will say that's your final answer. Alright. Clear everybody? Clear everybody? Understood? Yes guys. Okay, let's go next now. Reducible to homogeneous, second question. Yes, here is the second question beta. dy by dx is x minus 2y plus 5 upon 2x plus y minus 1, and this you have to simplify. Okay, so see, this I will not say this is the question of reducible to homogeneous, because this we have already studied in variable separable, where we had told that if b1 plus a2 is 0, just cross multiply and do exact differential. So same procedure, cross multiply, so cross multiplication here and here, and then you simplify. See how we are doing. If we are doing the cross multiplication, it is 2x dy plus y dy minus dy, and here x dx minus 2y dx plus y dx, and here x dy, so here y dx we have taken, right? And here x dx, here y dy, and all these things we have taken. X dy plus y dx is d of xy, integration is xy. X dx is x square by 2 minus y square by 2 plus y plus 5x plus lambda. That's your answer beta. Don't take it like homogeneous that way, no. Okay, because b1 plus a2 equal to 0, now we are able to finish in 2 steps. Why we will go that way? That way also you will get answer, but it will take lots of time. And we are preparing for the time-based examination. Right? Okay guys, so that was the question. Now we are going next on the PYQs of homogeneous. Alright, we will see it after a short break. Yeah, anybody has any type of doubt? Seen homogeneous equation problems, right? Now we are going to see how to solve PYQs on homogeneous. Okay, see, here is the first question from 2022 session. All right, see guys, how will we solve it? dy by dx is x plus y minus 2 upon x minus y. Okay, this is dy by dx, right? Solution of this curve passes through this point and this point, then 2 times tan inverse of 1 by k minus log of this is equal to what? Okay, see here, not homogeneous but reducible to homogeneous. Apply this substitution, x and y applied, we got this. Make constant term 0, we got h and k. Finally we got dy by dx is equal to this. Any doubt till here? Check now what we have done. just reducible to homogeneous, what we had studied today in type 2, that thing. Okay, so once it is reducible to homogeneous, we wrote this here, h and k value we got. Once we got h and k value, then we substituted here, and here it is y equal to vx, dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. So v plus x dv by dx is x plus vx upon x minus vx, x got cancelled, v plus x dv by dx is 1 plus v by 1 minus v. Let us go to the next page. Yes, this will bring that hand side, and then we are getting this, v get cancelled, and finally we are getting this, x dv by dx is v gets cancelled, 1 plus v square by 1 minus v. Okay. Now, variable separable. 1 minus v by 1 plus v square, and here dx by x. So, dv by 1 plus v square minus v dv by this. Integrate both hand side. This integration is tan inverse v, this is t, this is dt by 2, this is ln x plus lambda. So, tan inverse v minus half ln t equal to ln x plus lambda. T value is substituted 1 plus v square and ln x plus lambda. So, finally we are getting this. What we are getting? Tan inverse of y by x minus half of ln 1 plus v square equal to ln x plus lambda. Alright. So guys, what was small x? We had substituted na? Capital X plus h. H was 1. Capital Y plus k. K was also 1. Okay. So those values also we'll substitute here. So tan inverse of y by x. What is y? Y minus 1, and x is x minus 1 minus half ln of 1 plus v is y by x. So y square by x square. So y is y minus 1 whole square upon x is x minus 1 the whole square. This is ln of x minus 1 plus lambda. Right? So we got till here. Okay. Now see what it is saying. In the question it told curve is passing through 2, 1. Okay. 2, 1. Alright. So in place of x we put 2, in place of y we put 1. So this will be 0. That is 0 minus half ln of. In place of y we put 1. So 0, 0. So ln 1. This is also 0. This side whole 0. And this side, so lambda is 0. Right? 0 equal to 0 plus lambda. Lambda is 0. So once lambda is 0, we will substitute tan inverse of y minus 1 by x minus 1 minus half ln of x minus 1 the whole square, x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square. This is ln of x minus 1. Right. See guys, next is k plus 1 comma 2. It's also passing through k plus 1 comma 2. Okay. So if it is passing through k plus 1 comma, what is the case? Yeah, k plus 1 comma 2. So x is k plus 1, y is 2. So 2 minus 1, k plus 1. So here k plus 1 comma 2. So x is k plus 1. K plus 1 minus 1, that is k. And 1. k. So ln of k plus 1. So ln of k, right? Yes. See next. Tan inverse of 1 by k minus ln of root over 1 plus k square plus ln k equal to ln k. Ln k gets cancelled. See how it is getting cancelled? This half will go to this whole power. So if this half is going to whole power, you will get ln of root 1 plus k square, and here k only. So finally it will be ln of root 1 plus k square minus ln k, minus minus will be plus. So this ln k will get cancelled. So what is tan inverse 1 by k minus ln 1 plus k square? This is this Mr. Anda. What it is? Mr. Anda. Alright. So very good question. Answer was 0. Yes, tell me guys. Everybody is clear? Hitesh. Yes, answer is 0. Interesting question. So, very good question, time taking. So, you should practice this type of questions now before your examination. It's going to help you a lot. Right? Let's go, guys. So, that was the case. Second is dy by dx is this, k greater than 0, y of 2 is equal to 0. Find out the value of y of 8. Okay. So, see, dy by dx is equal to this, right now? And homogeneous equation. So if homogeneous equation y equal to vx, dy by dx is this, substituted everything, we came here. Bring everything one hand side, another hand side, finally you got PV. Yes or no? Check, check, check. Yes, check everybody. Homogeneous, so y equal to vx, this thing substituted, simplified, we reached here. So once we reached here, db with v, dx with x. How we are going to do so? Like this. Now integrated, 1 minus v square is t, so here t, here minus dt and all this, minus ln t equal to ln. Bring it this side, ln x plus ln t. So ln a plus ln b, log ab equal to c, tx is equal to this. Yes, see from here. See, tx is equal to e power c, or we can say k. What was t? T was 1 minus v square. And this was x, this is k. What was v? Y by x, so 1 minus y square by x square. X equal to k. So x square minus y square is equal to kx. Okay, this is the equation. But how to get that k? If we want to get that k, y of 2 is 0, right? Y of 2 is 0. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 2k. K is 2. We got k as 2. So x square minus y square minus 2x equal to 0. They are asking y of 8. So x square minus 2x is y square. So y of 8 is 8 square minus 2 into 8. That is y square. So 64 minus 16, how much? 48. Y square is 48. Y is root over 48. That is root over 16 into 3. Answer is 4 root 3, guys. What is the answer? 4 root 3. Interesting question. So 4 root 3 is the answer in this case. Let's go next. Third PYQ from 2023. Let's see who can solve it. Just give it a try. This question, how will you solve? Again homogeneous, so y equal to vx, dy by dx is this. Substituted here, we got this, we get cancelled, finally we get this. dv by dx is equal to this, so dx and v, finally we are getting this. Check now all the steps, how we have done it. Y equal to vx, dy by dx is this, substituted, v gets cancelled, dv by dx is equal to this. Finally, after this we will get dv by vq and all these things. So here v power minus 3, v power minus 3 integration will be v power minus 3 plus 1, that is v power minus 2 by this and all this. Here you will apply by parts. When you apply by parts, you will get it. See, so simple these things are, not difficult at all. Yes, anybody is having doubt in the live session? Hitesh. Yes, it will be useful for you. Yes guys, see now, so we did this question. Let's go next. Yes, 21 PYQ, 2021 PYQ, amazing PYQ, different type. See what they have told in this question. Y into dy by dx is equal to all this. Y of 1 was minus 1. Then find out phi of y square by 4. Okay. So here we are dividing by x. We got y by x dy by dx. Here y square by x square plus phi of all this. We are getting this thing. Yes or no? We are getting this thing. So if we are getting this thing, then see very carefully. In this, if we substitute y by x equal to v, or we can say y equal to vx, right? Then dy by dx is this thing that we can write. So if y by x is v, this will become phi of v square upon phi dash of v square. So finally this v multiplied v square. So vx dv by dx is equal to all this. Everybody is clear till here? Bolo, tell me. Yes, all are clear. Great. Now see, v dv and all this, right? So we'll write v dv, v is separated, variable separated. After this we are substituting v square equal to t. So if v square equal to t, dt by dv will be 2v. Okay. So v square is t, this will be phi dash of t upon phi of t, phi dash of t upon phi of t, and dt will be 2v dv. dt will be 2v dv. So v dv is dt by 2. Finally we got this thing. Right, so half of phi dash by phi, that is ln. So half of ln phi t is equal to ln x plus lambda. And t, what is t? Phi of v square. So this is equal to ln x plus lambda. After this guys, half of ln phi of v square, that is y square by x square, equal to ln x plus lambda. So here half will be going in the this one power. So this power upon. So this half will be on the whole power, right? Half will be on the whole power. Half of ln whole this is equal to that. See how? This we are bringing this side. So ln of this root minus this. Ln of a by b is equal to lambda. So this by this equal to e power lambda. that means this by this is equal to k. So this is equal to, if we square both sides, so phi of this by x square equal to k. So we got this thing. No problem. Anybody? All are clear? See, once we got this, they are asking or they have given. Yeah, they have given y of 1 is minus 1. Y of 1 is minus 1. So 1 and 1. So we got phi of 1 and here k. But k is this. So k is phi of 1. So this k value we substitute here. We are getting this. Phi of y square by x square equal to phi of 1 into x square. They are asking now, what they are asking? Phi of y square by 4. They are asking phi of y square by 4. So if they are asking y square by 4, then see, y square by 4, that is x equal to 2. So if you put x equal to 2 here, y square by 4 we will get, and here we have x equal to 2, so 4 into phi of 1. So phi of 4 is 4 into phi of 1. That's the answer. Good question. Amazing question for your mains and advanced examination. Right. Check now. Everybody is clear till here?